Hey guys, me Lady Wolf, and welcome back to my channel. If you are brand new, make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and you'll be notified every single time I post a new video. And
it's as easy as that.
You might just hear some little person talking because that's my big sister. And yeah, she's just sitting on my bed. But yeah. Remember and give this video a big thumbs up. And without
Miles
further,
slightly ill.
Yeah, I'm slightly ill. So, without further ado, let's get on with the video. Let's go. So today we are going to be reviewing a slime mystery package box thing. So let's just go ahead and open this. Oh my gosh. It has 3 mystery slimes and a ton of eggs.
Sweet!
I got sweet!
Wait, can I have one?
Yeah. Wait.
You get 2 sweets.
There's sherbet. Wait, Freya, stop. I'm filming.
Okay, have another.
I need to review the thing. So, is that everything? Yep, got everything. Yep, we've got add-ins, a thing of borax, a little letter, can't read, so I'm not going to read that. Okay, cool. And then these are the extras. So we've got 2 things of flown beads, sherbet, Freya, you can have that right now, and a lollipop, and 2 of these things. I've never seen these. And Freya's gonna go and get some scissors to open. And then, yeah, we've got this and the 3 slimes. So this is the first one. Oh, it's so cute. Then this is the second one, nice blue. I love this blue color. This is a really pretty, what's it called? Pastel pink one. So I'm going to wait until Freya comes back so she can see. Waiting for Freya. So the first one we are going to be doing is this really neon pink slime.
Oh, look at the little.
Yeah, it's so cute. Will you open? Whoa. So this is the slime, a tiny wee bit sticky, but that is okay. Oh my gosh, it smells so good.
Whoa.
This is scented.
That's really cool.
It kind of smells like chlorine, but it smells really, really good. It is a tiny wee bit sticky, but that's okay. I do like my slimes a little bit sticky. It's quite thick. She's thick and sticky. And Freya's gonna read the note whilst I try to do a slime swirl. I'm so bad at making slime swirls. This is okay, Freya. My slime swirl. I think I might add some borax to this after, off camera, maybe. This is really nice. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It kind of smells like peach yogurt? I don't know. It smells so good. Really, really clinky as well. Now let's move. Should I add some foam beads to this? I think I will. Freya, you just flung sherbet at me! Freya's eating her sherbet and she just flung some at me. I'm gonna add these tiny wee foam beads to this.
The borax, you're supposed to add if it gets too sticky.
Okay.
But always room temperature water. There's directions on how to do it.
So that's the flown beads added in. Now I'm just gonna mix this in. Ooh. Freya! Ow! Sherbet is going all over my room.
It's just the tube.
This is really nice. Moving on to the next one. So good. The next one we're going to do is this really cute one. And it's a nice pastel pink. So let's open it.
The sherbet was
this one,
a success. Delicious.
this one looks quite sticky. I don't think I'm going to take it out on my table.
Yeah, some borax to that as well.
Yeah. Yep, this one's a bit sticky. I love their slimes.
It's from... Well, if you want to find out more about these slimes, their Instagram is @miffy.slimes.
Oh my gosh, this is really sticky. Fred, feel how sticky that is.
No.
It's on the table. That is so good. My attempt to make a bubble. I always fail.
It smells nice.
Ah! Ooh, they're all scented, I think. Well, this one was scented, this one's scented, and really sticky. I'm gonna add some borax to that after this video. I can't get it off. Get off, slime. I'll see you once I get the slime off.
Hello, it is my birthday. Lila's going to wash off the slime. Be prepared for my little plan coming soon to take over Lila's channel.
That was a hot mess! Smells good though. So, that was that one. Old troublemaker. Now we are on to our last one. This is a really pretty blue one. Sorry if this video hasn't been that long, but yeah. You can still see bits of slime. That was not good.
This one's just a steam.
Oh my gosh.
Plot twist, they're all roast.
You can make... Are you kidding me? This is a floam. Oh my gosh. I'm not taking this one out. Maybe I'll just take a little bit of it out. Their slimes are really stretchy and really hard to break, so... Nope, I'm not taking this out. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh. My table is ruined. I am ruined. Slime smells really good. So this is a really pretty floam, very sticky. And yeah, it's got like little purple and dark blue beads. So yeah. Comment down below which one is your favorite. I'm gonna play with this. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash...
Ha! Time for my evil plan.
Hi. Hi, Bertie. What?